Hi guys, I have a Chrysler Town Country 2011 and I'm having a problem with starting the car. So basically I have already removed the start button from here and I'm using this one here. I still have the same problem. It just cuts like this. I'm not sure if it is a battery, but anyway. Same thing. I think it is a battery. I'm sure, but just not sure about it. So what makes me confused if it is the battery or not is that when I use the start button here, see, when I use it, the air condition starts by itself. So let's say I click, I start it here, it doesn't work. But what happens is that the AC start working by itself. I don't know what's the problem. And see, if I switch it on, it's as someone is putting it on. So I off. See, it's moving. I don't know what is that. It's like magic or something, but yeah. I don't see that signal there? The wire. So guys, if anyone cannot detect it, even though the key's here. So if anyone knows how to resolve this, please comment below the video. I really don't know what to do right now. And maybe I call CAA or call one of my friends. Or if someone replies to this video fast, then it would help me. Thank you.